Today we'll talk about how can you switch the rail account on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, sorry, when you click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on trading account here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to switch to rate here, just click on it. So then you click here on change account. Then here automatically it's going to change with you to rail account here on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.